out of service in Milwaukee. Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beloit, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Walworth, Clinton, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Sharon, Darien, Tiffany, Allen's Grove, Avalon, Athens, Shapir, Emerald Grove, Fuggs Hollow, and Delavan Lake. People attending ABC Supply Stadium should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is NOAA's weather.